Select a dollar store location. The best part about starting a dollar store business is the fact that you never ever need to advertise anything. You do not need to think up of any advertising campaign or techniques to get the customers rolling in through different promos. A dollar store is a promo every hour of every day. So instead it only leaves one key factor when it comes to starting a dollar store business, and that is the location. It is no well-kept secret that choosing the location of a dollar store will either make or break its business, more than any other business perhaps. This is why choosing to start a dollar store business is both a risky endeavor and a very rewarding one, if you have the know-how to choose the right location for it, and a bit of luck. This article will help guide you around and over the obstacles of selecting the proper location for a dollar store through the use of a series of simple steps, which you can follow to achieve your goals. Although experience is the best kind of ally to have when it comes to starting your own business, it is also best to have such experience come from memories of successful, or decent, businesses which only the right mindset from the very beginning can provide. So if you are interested in learning the ins and outs of selecting a dollar store location, continue reading below to find out. Make sure that you have the right to choose a location yourself, or at the very least have some options given to you. The universal franchise offering will be the one to determine whether you can use one of their many provided locations for a certain fee, or perhaps if you can flesh out the location yourself, provided you adhere to the many guidelines which come with choosing a location for your business to thrive in. It is always better to think ahead. Once you have chosen a certain area where you are sure your dollar store is going to be built in, give the whole area a visit and ask around for any information concerning certain kinds of development which you could put to your advantage. For example, if there is a residential area being built, or perhaps even a new business moving into a recently finished building, then your dollar store may be better off near these areas. You may not be able to break even as soon as you had expected if you have it built here, but eventually, when these developments have been completed, then your business will definitely thrive. Try to keep the distance between your business and your potential customers to 15 and 30 miles. This is the comfort zone of your business. If you follow this step, then it is highly likely that your dollar store will be visited often. However, there can be exceptions, so make sure that you are aware of how much the commute will be before deciding on a location. Once you have taken note of all of these steps, then you will be able to make a sound decision when choosing the location for your soon-to-be thriving dollar store.